Okay, so if you're coming from the other tutorial, which is how to make your own custom Blackmagic 709 LUT, here's how to move it into things outside of After Effects and DaVinci. So when you export a 3D LUT from DaVinci, there's no guarantee that it's going to be importable into Final Cut Pro, Final Cut Pro X, and these other programs that are supported by LUT Buddy. So to make sure that it's compatible, we're going to use LUT Buddy inside After Effects to export the LUT. So what we want to do is we've got our apply color LUT here, and we know that our chain works from top to bottom. So we're going to bring in LUT Buddy and another LUT Buddy. We're going to put our apply color LUT in the middle. We're going to say draw pattern. You want to make sure you're in a 16 by 9 1080 format. Otherwise, this grid will get hidden. So it's going to create the draw pattern. It's going to pass through the LUT. And then here we're going to read the pattern. And then we're going to click Options and export the LUT. And we're going to call it BMD ProRes Custom 709. And we're going to create a new folder called BMD, and we're going to save it. All right, it's that simple. 3D, 32-bit float, 128. You want it to be in a cube format, and okay, we're done. So now that LUT exists, and to test it, what we're going to do is we are going to turn LUT Buddy off, and we're going to choose a LUT. We're going to go to that BMD folder, bring it in. There it is. Zero difference. If I turn it off, that's the raw. There it is. Now that LUT can be used anywhere. It can be brought into ProRes, in any program that uses LUT Buddy, and pretty much any program that will allow you to import LUTs. You can bring that LUT in, and it'll work just fine. It's that simple. I have all these adjustment layers turned off. I was doing some other stuff in here. Just for the sake of clarity, let me go ahead and delete those. Let's delete that and that. And this is just a vignette that I put on, a custom vignette. We'll leave that in there. And I want to apply that to my footage. Now I can apply it to the footage itself, or since I have a bunch of clips in here, you can see I've got all this stuff, and I want to apply it to all those. I can apply it as adjustment layer. So let's create an adjustment layer. And let's go to our effects controls, right click, go to utility, apply color LUT. And I want to go into that custom LUT folder. In my case, I have it bookmarked, which I told you to do if you haven't done already. You can see the chain. It's in Blackmagic Design, Application Support, DaVinci Resolve, LUT. This is your main LUT folder. And in here, I've saved it right here. There it is. No, that's not it. I saved it as... where the hell? Oh, custom LUTs. That's right. Blackmagic 709. There it is. So I open that, apply it to the footage. Boom. There's it. There it is. So that is how you get LUTs into After Effects from DaVinci. And this is how you're, from here, we're going to, in another tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move it out of After Effects and get it into Final Cut Pro and Premiere and your other applications.